प्रीवियस वीडियो मैंने बताया था यूकैरियोट्स डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स, प्रोटोप्लाज्म, वैक्यूल्स एंड सेल वॉल in case of plant and cell membrane in case of animals. And detailed classification is here. Protoplasm further divided into 2 parts, nucleus and cytoplasm. Nucleus centrally placed and nucleus further divided into 4 parts. Inside the nucleus, like this, nucleus, the outer layer is nuclear membrane, and inside the liquid filled part is known as nucleoplasm. And cell division occurs in nucleus, and the thread chromatin fibers, dense thread-like structure inside the nucleus is known as chromatin fibers are a chromatin network. And then inside the dark patches like structure is known as nucleolus. Understand? And the second part, cytoplasm, and cytoplasm further divided into 2 parts. First, hyaloplasm, and second, cytoplasmic structure. Hyaloplasm further divided into 2 parts, plasma lemma. Plasma lemma means outer layer at the tonoplasm. Tonoplasm, the outer layer of vacuoles, and plasma lemma, outer layer of cell. And the cytoplasmic structure further divided into 2 parts. First, cell organelles, metabolically active part, and cell inclusion. Most important question. What is cell inclusion? Cell inclusion, reserve food matter found inside the cell in form of vacuoles, gaseous vacuoles, liquefied vacuoles, water-filled vacuoles. It's known as inclusion, or a cytoplasmic matrix inside the liquid matter is known as cytoplasmic matrix, and are a chemical content and metabolically inactive. In form of metabolically active organelle site and metabolically inactive matrix site. And the metabolically active part are cell organelles. Different types of cell organelles found inside the cell. First, plasmids. Plasmids are of 3 types. First, leucoplast. Leucoplast, it's a colorless pigments mostly found in animal body as a plant body. And the chromoplast, green color containing site mostly found in plant but rarely in animal like a euglena. And chromoplast, red pigmented color appearing in red chili and other edible vegetables. Chromoplast. And next, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, the cell, the outer layer of cell attached to the nuclear membrane like a finger, like this. It's a finger-like projection, zigzag from inside, and it's known as endoplasmic reticulum. And endoplasmic reticulum are of 2 types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, like this. Some part of endoplasmic reticulum containing beads-like structure is known as ribosomes. Means ribosomes attach the rough surface of the endoplasmic reticulum is also known as smooth structure of endoplasmic reticulum is known as ribosomes attach a smooth structure. It's known as rough. After some time, it's called a rough like, and rough endoplasmic reticulum forms the protein synthesis, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum lipid synthesis. And then mitochondria. Mitochondria, it's a oval shaped structure, and inside the finger like projection like this. And it's most important part of cell because it's a energy formation. After oxidation of food matter, then converted into energy, and energy is stored at this site in form of ATP. ATP, you know ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. Or ATP converted into firstly AMP, adenosine monophosphate, and adenosine monophosphate phosphate one molecule at this site, then converted into ADP, adenosine diphosphate, and one PI inorganic phosphate molecule converted into ATP like this. This AMP converted into ADP, ADP converted into ATP, and after some time release phosphate molecule, then ATP converted into ADP and ADP converted into AMP. Means mostly active. ATP and ATP, it's a energy currency. Most important question for examination purpose, what is energy currency? And energy currency, it's a ATP. ATP is stored in the form of energy in site of the mitochondria. And mitochondria, the other name of mitochondria is powerhouse. You know, powerhouse of the cell. And chloroplast found in plant cell. And chloroplast, it's a kitchen of the cell. And ribosomes, it's a circular structure. Golgi bodies like this. It's a like this. A cis and trans sites and track-like structure arranged in a linear way. In animal cell, it's known as Golgi apparatus or Golgi body, but in case of plant cell, it's known as dictyosome because no arrangement in a linear way. It's a is scattered in form of vessels. It's a packaging matter and secretory matter collect at this site and release the vessels, and after some time it's formed the lysosome. And you know lysosome? Lysosome, it's a societe bag and arises the vessels. After some time, primary vessels released through Golgi apparatus. Primary vessels containing some liquid matter is converted into secondary vessels, and secondary converted into tertiary vessels, and tertiary large in size and loaded excretory or liquid matter inside, then burst inside the cell. And this process is known as it's scavenger like behavior. It's removal of the waste material. मीन्स जो वेस्ट मैटर सेल से निकलता है उसको ये डाइजेस्ट करता है, और डाइजेस्ट करने के बाद फिर उसको न्यूट्रिटिव और बेनिफिशियल मैटर फॉर्म में फिर यूटिलाइज होने के लिए वो अपने को बस्ट करता है, और फिर वो यूटिलिटी के लिए यूज हो जाता है इसी सेल में। तो ये इसको सुसाइड बैग भी बोलते हैं। और लाइसोसोम, मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट शॉर्ट नोट ऑन लाइसोसोम। एंड नेक्स्ट centrosome. Centrosome, it's form a rounded structure, and rounded structure like in cell division, it's form a astral rays, and rays arrange the chromosomes in both poles, and then chromosomes hanging in the astral rays, and rays released through the centrosomes. And the peroxisome, it's a less active for a respiratory system in case of plant.